Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Prisma Cloud policies for compliance with reports step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Prisma Cloud console. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the compliance section. Here, you will find an overview of all compliance reports. Select the specific compliance report you want to verify. Click on the report to view detailed results. Examine the different compliance checks listed in the report. Identify the policies that have failed or are in a warning state. For each failing policy, click on the policy name for further details. Review the policy's configuration and parameters. Compare the policy settings against your organization's compliance requirements. Make any necessary adjustments to align the policy with compliance standards. After updates, rerun the compliance report to validate changes. Check the report again to ensure all policies are now compliant. If any issues persist, review the logs for additional context. Document any changes made for future reference. Repeat this process periodically to ensure ongoing compliance. Conclude by monitoring trends in compliance over time to improve your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.